MyTMCC is the Truckee Meadows Community College portal to all of your information. You will use this link on the TMCC homepage to log in to access your class information, your class roster, send early alerts about any students that may be struggling, and input your class grades. You may see two tabs if you are both a student and a faculty member. Select the Faculty and Staff tab if necessary. Then select Self-Service from the menu on the left. Once you are in Self-Service, you will see options under Faculty Center for My Schedule, Class Roster, and Grade Roster. Select the My Schedule link to see your classes.
Your teaching schedule will be displayed. Notice the default term that is showing. If necessary, you may change the term by selecting the Change Term button. Select the term you wish to view and click Continue. Once you are viewing your teaching schedule, you will see an icon on the left of each class that you may use to display your class roster. Select the icon for the class in which you wish to view your roster.
You will see your class roster listed with student IDs, names, grade basis, graded or audit, units taken, program and plan, level, and telephone. Use the Enrollment Status drop-down to filter your students for those enrolled and those dropped. To see your roster, make sure you have Enrolled selected since this roster is always current. Any registration changes made by students will immediately show on your roster. Check back often at the beginning of the semester to obtain your current roster.
Scroll down to the bottom of your screen to see a link to a printer-friendly version of your roster. Select that link to print your roster. Use the Print Preview option under the Printer drop-down arrow at the top of your screen to view your roster in Print Preview. If you are using Firefox, use the Print Preview option under the File menu at the top of your screen. You will want to use the drop-down menu item to change the view to only the selected frame to print your roster. Click the printer icon to print. Select the return link to return to your previous view. You may use the Change Class button to view the roster of another class. You may also use this class roster to send email to your students using their TMCC email account on record. Select the students to whom you wish to send an email by placing a check mark in the Notify column. Scroll down to the bottom of the roster area. Here you will find the button to notify the selected students. If you wish to notify all students or select all, clear all students, use the appropriate buttons. After selecting the Notify Selected Students button, you will see this Send Notification screen. Here you will see your email address listed in the From and To areas and your students listed in the BCC area. Sending email to your students using the BCC or blind carbon copy method allows you to send an email out to students, but each student will not see any other name than their own. Select the Send Notification button to send your email. To return to the roster, select the Return to Class Roster link. Make sure you sign out. Thank you.